Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how to start an app without a storyboard. So for this, we need to start a project and then remove storyboard and then going forward. So let me close this project. I'm gonna overwrite it. Okay, so file, new project, single view app, iOS, Swift, no storyboard part 01. So yeah, it's asked me this exists. Yes, I want to replace it. So let's first find out why we may need to remove a storyboard and start with without a storyboard. First of all, if we work in a team with control version, or if when we design a complex layout, or when we want to easily keep track of constraints, or we want to reuse the view controller and build a hierarchy. But also, if you want to pass from beginner level and be an intermediate developer, iOS developer, you need to be able to do everything programmatically. Means that you need to be able to work without interface builder, something not without Xcode. Maybe you need to even you need to be able to work, develop your codes just with one simple text editor. So, of course, when you search this video and you are in this video, you are looking for this, but I try to convince you to learn this because by this way you can impress your interviewer to about your knowledge. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we need to remove storyboard. It's pretty easy. We just say okay. You can just select this or click, push your delete button or your right click and say delete, but make sure to move it in trash. But it's not enough. You need to go to your story general, and here we say main interface. It's say main.storyboard. It means when they put main there, in option. Now we don't have main storyboard as an option, so I delete that. And also we need to go to app delegate. In app delegate, we need to go to application and here we need to say okay, what gonna be our view. So we just say okay, yes, window equal UI window, yeah, I want to use offer from Xcode, yeah, frame. And for CG targets we use UI screen dot main dot bounds. Then we say okay, our window question mark, I can make it optional, background color, I make it black. You don't have to do this, but I just want to show you how you can change property of your view. Yeah, and then we make it visible. make key and visible. So we make it key and visible, but we need to set up our initial view controller as well. So how we do that? It's easy. Just say window dot root view controller equal view controller. So I said view controller because already I have view controller. If you want to start with another view controller, you just can add a new view controller with whatever name you like and then have it there. So yeah, and then return true. So let me run this. Then we will have we are supposed to have a background, you know, a black screen, and yeah, which is our window there. So and it will be our new view actually. Yeah, our new view. But until then, let me prepare my code for some change, which I'm gonna do after that. Yeah, here we go. This is the previous program which was run before. Yeah, so yeah, you will see this is white screen, which is our launch screen storyboard. But after that, we will have our, yeah, here we go, the black one that we just create in app delegate. And controller supposed to be view control, but we didn't do any control yet. So I'm gonna close this, and here I'm gonna start to control this view. So I just call view dot background color. I say okay, I use UI color white 1 and which alpha 0.5. Also I say print in console. I want to write down inside view controller. Okay, so I'm gonna run this again. And so stop the previous one. I tried to do it with this interface, but I didn't do that, so I just start a new one. Then it will go and start the new one forcefully, hopefully. I think my yeah, so yeah, then it's gonna start it there. And so let's just review what we did. We remove, we delete storyboard, then we came here and over general tab and deployment info, we removed main interface. Then we went to app delegate, and in app delegate we customize our application, function to, have a new view, visible, new window actually visible, and we make it background color, we change background color. And then in view controller, now we change background color from black to almost gray. And also we wrote in console, inside view controller. So yeah, we did that to a step completely. And this was the first part of a series with no storyboard. And that's it for today. In next videos we start to write code over add constraint and new elements like window, image, all programmed with programmatically, and especially constraint, also auto layout, so everything with program to you get better understanding from all of these items, and also be able to impress your interviewer. Okay, any question, please ask in a comment. Make sure to thumbs on and subscribe, and also link to this project you can find in comment. And I wish the best for you, and have a good one. Bye bye.